Good morning, all of you. I am Professor Sujata Patil. Today, I am taking the lecture on the subject cloud computing. Okay, in cloud computing, we will discuss the basic concept of a cloud computing, then different models which are included in cloud computing, and the types of cloud computing. We will discuss one by one. Just I will share here the screen. See the meanings of a cloud computing. Cloud computing provide us a means by which we can access the number of applications such as an utilities over the internet. So it allows us to create, configure, and customize the number of applications which are useful to online. So with the help of cloud computing, users can access the database, resources, via some internet facility from anywhere for as long as they need without worrying about any maintenance or we can say that the management of actual resources. See, what is the actual concept of a cloud? Cloud refers to a network or internet. In other words, we can say that the cloud is a something which is present at a remote location. It means that cloud can provide services over the internet that is on public network or a private network. This is one example of a public and private is LAN, MAN, and WAN. So the number of applications such as email, web conferencing, then customer relationship management, okay, that all applications are run in a cloud based. Okay, see nowadays industry has been useful industry has been used the number of cloud computing applications. Okay, so cloud computing refers to manipulate, configure, accessing the number of applications online. And what is the use of that cloud computing? Cloud computing offers the online data storage, the number of infrastructures facility, and number of applications also. So a cloud computing is nothing but both the combination of hardware and software, which is based the computing resources. Also, it delivers the number of resources via some network services. See, this is the basic concept of a cloud computing. Then we will discuss the cloud computing architecture. In that, we will see here the number of applications are there, then storage facilities are there, and infrastructure facilities are there. Okay, so the number of applications, the combination of a number of application has been used nowadays in industry to provide a better result or to provide a better output to the industry. Then the number of storage facilities is also used with the help of a number of data centers which are located in a number of organizations. Then also infrastructure as a service. This is one type of a model which are used to serve your data privately and provide also security to your particular data. Okay, then the certain services or we can say that the models which are working behind the cloud computing, these are the two basic concept. One is a deployment model and second is a service model. See, there are certain models working behind the scene making the cloud computing which is accessible and feasible to the end user. So some models are considered here deployment model and a service model. See, the deployment model defines the type of access of a cloud. For example, it has provided the four type of access, whether it is public, whether it is private, whether it is hybrid, or we can say that the community. We will discuss here one by one. See, this is architecture or basic diagram of type of access of a cloud computing: public cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud, and a community cloud. We will say one by one. So what is a public cloud? Public cloud allows system and services which is easily accessible to the general public. So it is less secure because of its openness. One example on that public cloud is email. Okay. Then second part is what? Private cloud. Private cloud allows us systems and services which is accessible within an organization. It means it offers increased security because of its private nature. Okay. This is one difference between public and private. Then next part is what? Community cloud. Community cloud allows systems and the number of services which is accessible by overall group of organization. Okay. It means that overall organization has been used the community cloud types. Okay, which is accessible and very feasible to the end user. Then fourth one is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a mixture of a public and we can say that the private cloud. However, the critical activities which are performed using a private and public cloud as well. Okay. In that it contains a critical, non-critical activities which are performed using a public cloud. See, this is the main difference in between public, private, community, and a hybrid cloud. Then the different type of model we will discuss. Previous model is discussed is a deployment model. Okay, in that deployment model, this type of access has been used. Then second part is what? Service model. Service model means what? These are the reference models on which the cloud computing has been totally based to serve their data privately and also secure your data by providing the proper security. These can be categorized into three basic service models. Which are that service models? First is infrastructure as a service, second is a platform as a service, and third one is a software as a service. We will see one by one. We will discuss. First is infrastructure as a service. In short, it is named as IaaS. Okay. So IaaS is delivery of technology infrastructure which is as on demand and which is also provide high scalable capability or high scalable service facility to the end user. See, this us provides access to the fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual machines, and virtual storage, etc. So what is the use of that us? It can be coupled with the managed services, okay, with the help of OS and different application supports. Okay. See, this is usually a multi-tenant virtualized environment. It means that it provides proper feasibility and accessible to the end user by providing the physical machines, virtual machines, etc. Okay. See, these are some examples of us. Okay. It means that where the as model has been used. Nowadays, the number of industries has been used these service models such as AS, PAS, and SAS. Okay. See, the example of AS is Go Grid. Okay. Then AT&T, Terry Marks, Entity Communications. Uh, Here, AS models has been used in the industry. Okay. This is one type of model, that is infrastructure as a service model. Okay. Second type is platform as a service model. In short, it is named as a PaaS. See, the PaaS provides the runtime environment for the applications development and deployment tools. Okay. It means that it provides all facilities which are required to support and complete your life cycle of a building one software, or we can say that building one applications, okay, which has been deliver a proper services entirely from the help of intern. Okay. So typically applications must be developed with a particular platform in the mind. It means that it provide multi-tenant environments, then it is highly scalable and also provide highly scalable multi-tier architecture. multi-tier architecture means it provides the number of applications, development and deployment tool. Hence, it is called as a multi-tenant, or we can say that the multi-tier architecture. Architecture. Okay, what is difference between infrastructure and a platform? Infrastructure, it is nothing but delivery of a technology, and platform as a service, it provide runtime environment for the number of applications development and deployment too. Okay, then these are some examples where the PaaS model has been used. Okay, nowadays the Amazon Web Services, Azure, Joint, Rockspace, then Salesforce.com, such type of applications, or we can say that the here the number of companies or number of organization has been used nowadays, the PaaS service model. Okay, platform as a service model. These are some examples, okay, related to the PaaS. Then third service model is a software as a service model. Okay, the software as a service model allows us the software applications which are provide the services to the end user. Okay, it means it provide a particular software which is useful to the end user. This SaaS is a software delivery methodology that provide licensed multi-tenant access to the software and also provide multi-functionalities which are remotely accessible with the help of web-based services. Okay, see, what is a software as a service? It is also called as a multi-tenant environment. Why? Because it is provide the support at a time to one or many type of applications, or we can say that it provide the number of services to the number of end users. Okay, hence it is called as a highly scalable architecture. See, what is the difference between AAS, PaaS and SaaS? AAS, it is nothing but the infrastructure as a service. In short, it provide a proper particular infrastructure which is based on a particular application. Then platform as a service, it provide the platform with the help of their development and deployment tools also. And software as a service, it provide a proper software delivery. Hence, it is called as a software delivery methodology. Okay, see, this is the difference in between infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. See, these are some examples based on software as a service. Salesforce.com, NetSuite, Google, okay, then Facebook, Post.ini. These are some application, or we can say that these are some methodology or techniques has been used as a software as a services. Okay, so these are the difference between three service models. Okay, then one question is that, do you use the cloud? Yes, nowadays each and every industry has been a cloud based applications, okay, has been used. So the number of applications which is based on a cloud architecture, or with the help of a cloud infrastructure, or we can say that with the help of a cloud methodology, so the industry has been provide the better output, or we can say that it also provide a better result. Okay, see, some advantage of a cloud computing. What is the advantage? It provide the lower computer cost, improve the better performance of each and every organization. It reduce the software cost. Then it also improve the document formalities, or we can say that the document format. Okay, so nowadays, day by day, the new technology, or we can say that the new methodology has been included in a cloud computing. So it also provide unlimited storage capacity. Then universal document accessibility has been added into a cloud computing. Okay, it also provide latest version accessibility, or we can say that the availability. Then the main advantage of a cloud computing is that it provide the easily group collaboration. Okay, with the help of number of organization has been share their data, access their data easily. Okay, by providing the proper security with the help of data centers, with the help of cloud security. Okay, so under the cloud security, number of applications has been including in the for the supporting your data or storing your data properly. Okay, hence it is called as a easier group collaboration. Okay, so it also increase the data reliability. Then it also provide device independency. Okay, see, these are some advantages which are included in a cloud computing. So there are also drawbacks of a cloud computing. Sometimes it requires sometimes the data might be lost. Okay, because there is no provide proper connectivity, or we can say that some hacker out of some hackers has been hack your data. Okay, then does not work well with low speed connection. Okay, then features might be limited. Okay, then store data might not be sure sometimes. Okay, because nowadays industry has been required a huge amount of data, so this data sometimes has been lost with the lost. Okay, so this is one drawback of a cloud computing. Okay.